Hello. Njani? Ngiyabini. Yo, I hope angihlalisanga.
Hayi.
Oh, okay. What's to keep in a serious face? What deliver?
I'm in public.
In public? Why you bitching about shit?
Ah, you come with the Bali.
Why you she? I'm telling you. You were share, bruh. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. It's really birthday. We wanted this serious. Hi birthday. Birthday is finished. It's stationary school ngale we go and check but the balloon again. Let's go. What's not disappointing, girl?
Are we gonna need one?
Yes, tiny. Oh, or a box, ne?
I need to forget these things.
You think a box? Won't it cost us an arm and a leg?
We'll see.
If we do have an up on price here. Where are the prices?
No big. Mama wipes you.
Oh. Thank you.
I'm Mama wipes. You want to get a bed?
I hope you wipe one. You wipe palamanja of a spoon. We are powerful. That's an that's. I feel like nanking. I'm
Mama, so I need to pay.
nanking pinky vel. Thank you.
448.
You collect all kwami ngifake esikhwameni sami bandla ngakhohle.
You remember? That side.
Ngena lapho.
As long as you don't show my face.
Why?
No.
When your friend is writing a love letter. How do you feel when I love a girl? Oh, blush. Oi.
If I wasn't working, would I be able to afford such beautiful flowers? Oh, so you mean to say that I'm ugly?
Shut
Have
up.
you seen me?
Let's go. We are going.
Okay.
That's why I'm worried also. I'm like, what if we go kidnap her? What if he wants to steal you, my friend? Stop. I don't have my ring.
Very sexy.
You look so edible. Give me a 360. I want to see the back. Oh. Mine.
You've got two outstanding points about yourself.
What? Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to close off this vlog. Today we are shooting for Ponteen. I might not get time to speak to you guys again, so I just wanted to say hi and bye. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye.
That wasn't looking like brushing each other's backs. The male was like picking.